Yeah, what's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. Anyway, y'all out here acting like you've been in the motorized bicycle game longer than I have? I don't think so. I got some antique shit here that somebody might want because sure as hell I can't use it anymore. I would have had the blue one too. There's three sets of colors. There's the silver one, the red one, and they had the much bigger blue one for the 36 wheel spokes. But by the time I got the money to buy one, they were already sold out. So check this. This is when they started to improve that garbage fucking rag joint bullshit. And they made this shit clamp to your fucking wheels. I have no idea what size wheel this is for, but I think it's a 12 gauge or 11 gauge for this one. There's your new rag joint shit. See your stock garbage parts that come in the kit, that solid metal piece goes on this because it's got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hole design. And then I got this shit's fucking antique. I don't even know if they sell this shit anymore. This shit was in stores like 15, 20 years ago. And I forget who the maker was that I bought it off of. See? I don't really fucking remember. It's been so fucking long ago, you know? Anybody wants these? $75. I would have the blue one too, but by the time I got the money to buy one, they were sold out. Yep, these are considered antique now. And they're CNC machined. And Chinatown sure the fuck didn't make these. I got these off a US seller way back in the day. I think it was Pirate Cycles or some shit. I doubt that they make any more of these now. Vintage